I'm videoing it. It's a video. Watch his, check his fingers. Good job, Junior, on your first fish.
Wow, and he swallowed it.
Oh no.
You want to throw him back or you want me? Junior?
I want to throw him back.
Okay,
Watch his.
listen. Put the rod down. All right, listen. See this part of the fish?
Yeah.
That's very sharp. Okay, so when you grab them,
No, Nikki, watch out.
okay, grab them. Okay, throw them back. Good job. Anyway.
Yay! High five! Fishy high five!
Good job,
High
Junior. All
five.
by yourself, dude. All right, let's see it.